Dear students, in last video we have completed the chapter application of definite integration. Okay, so in that chapter we have studied about the different methods of integration, how to find out area. But now this is a chapter differential equation, and in this differential equation we have to study that how to form differential equation, what is meant by differential equation, how we have to find out the solution of differential equation. Okay, so let us see what is meant by differential equation. Differential equation means that is the equation. Differential equation is nothing but the equation. Okay, and that equation contain the derivative. So, the definition of differential equation is that the equation which contain derivatives of a function is called a differential equation. For example, suppose dy by dx equal to cos x. So, in this equation, the differential, that is the derivative function is there. That means this equation contain the derivative of a function. Okay, therefore it is called as the differential equation. Suppose the next example is d2 square w by dx square minus x square dw by dx plus w equal to 0. This is again the differential equation. That the equation contain the derivatives of a function is called the differential equation. Okay, this is also the differential equation. Now suppose F equal to ma. F equal to ma. You know that in physics force equal to mass into acceleration. So suppose F equal to m, a acceleration is d2 square s by dt square. This is again differential equation. In this way, differential equation means the equation which contain the derivatives. Okay, that is the differential equation. Now, in differential equation, we have to study, that means how formation of differential equation is there. To find out the solution of differential equation, before going to that, we must know the order and degree of differential equation. So, order of differential equation. Order of differential equation is the highest order of derivative appearing in the equation. The order of differential equation is the highest order of the derivative. Highest order of the derivative means, suppose students, we have the differential equation dy by dx equal to cos x. So here order of differential equation is 1. Okay, means dy by dx means this is the first order. So here the order of differential equation is 1. Now suppose in second example, d2 square w upon dx square minus x square dw by dx plus w equal to 0. Here which is the highest order? Here dw by dx square, d2 square w upon dx square. This is the second order. This is the differentiation of w with respect to x is first order. Okay, means which is the highest order? This is the highest order. And what is the highest order? Highest order is 2. Hence, for this differential equation, order of differential equation is 2. Okay, in this way we can find out the order of differential equation. Now again we must know what is the degree of differential equation. So degree of differential equation is the power of highest order derivative. Degree of differential equation is the power of highest order derivative present in the equation. power of highest order. Power of highest order means, suppose students, in this equation dy by dx equal to cos x, the highest order is 1. Okay, and what is the power of this highest order? Power means its index. So power of highest order is 1 and its power is also 1. Okay, so degree of differential equation is 1 here. So here dw d2 square w upon dx square minus x square dw by dx plus dw. Here highest order is 2. And what is the power of highest order? Power of highest order is 1. Therefore here order is 2 and degree is 1. In this way we have to find out the degree and order of differential equation. Now let us solve some example. Suppose the example is that x square d2y by dx square plus 3x dy by dx plus 4y. So here the order of here, this is second order, this is first order derivative. So which is the highest order? The second order in this differential equation, the second order is the highest order, and therefore here the order is 2. Therefore here order is 2. And which is the highest order? 2 is the highest order, and the power of highest order is 1. Therefore degree means power of highest order, and that is 1. Therefore for this differential equation order is 2 and degree is 1. Now let us take another example, that is d raised to 3y upon dx cube plus x into y dy by dx minus 2x plus 70. For this differential equation, this is the third order, this is the first order. Okay, this differentiation is of third order, here differentiation is of first order. So which is the highest order? This is the highest order. This is the highest order. Okay, this is the highest order, and highest order, this is the highest order means which is the highest order? 3. Therefore order is 3. Highest order is 3. And what is the degree? Degree, that is the power of highest order. What is the power of this highest order? Is 1, and therefore here order is 3 and degree is 1. Degree is 1. Okay, in this way these are the two examples. Now also the next example is that is d2 square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square plus 6y equal to 3. For this differential equation, the d2 square y upon dx square plus dy by dx whole square plus 6y equal to 3. So for this differential equation here, in this differential equation the order of this d2 square y means order is 2 here. Here dy by dx order is 1 and the function y itself. So which is the highest order? Means differentiation d2 square y by dx square means here this is second order derivative, here the first order derivative. So highest order is the second order. Hence d2 square y by dx square. Because of this the highest order means order is 2. Order of differential equation means the highest order of that differential equation. So highest order is 2, therefore order of differential equation is 2. Now degree. What is meant by degree? Degree means the power of differential equation, power of highest order derivative. So what is the power of highest order derivative? So here d2y by dx square. For this highest order its power is 2. See students, here dy by dx is here, but its power is 2. Its index is 2 means its power is 2. But for the first term, that is the second order derivative, and its power is 1. That's why degree of differential equation is 1. Why? Because degree of differential equation means the power of highest order derivative in that differential equation. So in this differential equation, the highest power is 2 and its highest degree is 2 and its power is 1, and power degree means power of highest order derivative. That's why degree is 1. Okay, order is 2 and degree is 1. Some students, there may be confusion. Suppose some students will think that here the power is 2, so degree of this differential equation must be 2. That is not way. So degree means the power of highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is 2 and its power is 1, and therefore the degree of differential equation is 1. Okay, so degree is due to the highest power, and highest power is here 2. That's why here 2 dy by dx, the power of dy by dx is 2, but the degree of differential equation is not the highest power. This is the power of highest order. That's why its degree is 1. In this way, we have to find out the degree and order of differential equation. Now, the differential equation, the next differential equation is, that is dy by dx plus 3xy upon dy by dx equal to cos x. Students, first let us simplify. So here dy by dx plus 3xy upon dy by dx. So here LCM is dy by dx. So for simplify, so LCM is dy by dx, so multiply with dy by dx. So here multiply with dy by dx into dy by dx. This is dy by dx whole square. Dy by dx whole square plus 3xy equal to cos x into dy by dx. We have simplified the terms. Now find out which is the highest order. So dy by dx and dy by dx. So order of differential equation be 1, because differentiation of y with respect to x. So dy by dx is the highest order, means order of differential equation is 1. So order is 1. Now what is the power of highest order? Highest order is 1 and its power is 2, and because of because of the power of highest order, the power is 2 and degree of differential equation is 2. In this way, the order is 1 and degree is 2. Now the next example is, that is d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4, and that is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power 3. Okay students, remember that we decide the order and degree. First we find out order, and order is nothing but in that differential equation the highest order. Highest means, suppose here the order is 4, d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4 means 4th power, and dy by dx means first order. So which is the highest order? So highest order is 4, and therefore the order of differential equation is 4. And what is the degree? Degree of differential equation is the power of highest order. So power means its index number. So power of this differential equation is 1. Okay, 1, and therefore degree of differential equation is 1. In this way, we have to find out the order and degree of differential equation. Okay, now the next differential equation is, that is the differential equation is d2 square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y equal to 2 sin x. So in this differential equation, the differential equation d2 square y by dx square means second order, first order. So which is the highest order? So highest order is 2. So here order of differential equation equal to 2. Okay, now find out the degree. Degree of differential equation means its highest power. So highest power of highest order. So power of highest order is 2 and its power is 1, and therefore degree of differential equation is 1. Okay, in this way. Now the next example is that find out the degree and order of differential equation. So cube root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square equal to d2y by dx square. So here is the cube root and here is the that is the d2y by dx square. First simplify the terms, or here this expression we can express as the cube root is there, at LHS there is the cube root. So taking cube on both sides. Taking cube on both sides. So cube root of cube means the cube root get cancelled, and that is 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Cube root get cancelled and d2y by dx square raised to 3, taking cube on both sides. And because of cube root, the cube will get cancelled, and now on this side the cube of d2y by dx square. So in this differential equation, so order of here dy by dx, for this dy by dx, order of here 1, dy by dx means this is the first order, and here is the second order, d2y by dx square means the derivative is of second order. So order of differential equation means which is the highest order, means which is the highest order derivative, second order or this first order. The second order is the highest order. Therefore order of this differential equation is 2. Highest order is 2. And what is its degree? Degree means power of its highest derivative. Power of highest order derivative. What is the power of highest order derivative? 3, and therefore degree is 3. This is the differential equation, its order and degree. Now the next problem is dy by dx equal to 2 sin x plus 3 upon dy by dx. Now we can express this taking cross product, that is dy by dx into dy by dx. So dy by dx into dy by dx, that is whole square, taking cross product, and this is equal to 2 sin x plus 3. Okay, and this is the differential equation, that is dy by dx whole square equal to 2 sin x plus 3. So in this differential equation, dy by dx means the first order derivative. Differentiation of y with respect to x is the first order derivative, and this is the highest order, first order derivative. For this differential equation, dy by dx is the highest order, means order of differential equation is 1. Its order is 1. And what is the power of highest order? Power of highest order is 2 and therefore its degree is 2. Degree is the power of highest order derivative. And hence this is the order and degree of differential equation. Now the next example is that find out the degree and order of differential equation, that is y3 dash square plus 3y double dash plus 3x y dash plus 5y. Students, y triple dash means d raised to 3y upon dx cube, means third order derivative of y with respect to x. Y double dash means d2 square y upon dx square, means differentiation of y with respect to x but second order. And y dash means dy by dx. Okay students, so in this differential equation or for this differential equation, the highest order is third order, second order, first order. So which is the highest order? So highest order is 3. This is the highest order. Therefore degree order of differential equation is here 3. Highest order is 3. Therefore order of differential equation is 3. Okay. And degree means power of highest order derivative. So what is the power of highest order? Power of highest order derivative is 2 and that's why degree of differential equation is 2. Okay. Now the next problem is d2 square y upon dx square plus cos dy by dx equal to 0. So here for this differential equation, the d2 square y upon dx square. So highest order of differential equation is 2. So order of differential equation is 2. But student, degree of differential equation we can't define here. Okay? Because given differential equation cannot be defined as the polynomial function. So if the differential equation can be expressed as in the form of polynomial function, then and then we can find out its order and degree. Here in this differential equation d2y by dx square, for this differential equation order is 2 and plus cos dy by dx. This is not in the form of polynomial function. Okay. So this trigonometric function means suppose cos of dy by dx or sometimes e raised to dy by dx. Such a type of functions can't be expressed as polynomial form. Okay, and therefore here we can't define the degree of differential equation. Okay, so here order of differential equation is 2 but we can't define its degree. Okay, so degree we can't define the degree, not defined. We can't define the degree because this cos dy by dx, it is not in the form of, we can't express this in the form of polynomial. Okay, and therefore order is 2 but we can't define the degree. Now the next function is, that is find degree and order of differential equation. d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x plus x equal to 1 plus d raised to 3y plus dx cube. Okay, so here in RHS the function is in the form of square root. the function is in the form of square root, and therefore to find out its order and degree, first simplify. Okay, first simplify the function. To simplify it, so first simplify the function. To simplify, RHS is in square root form and LHS is, so to cancel this square root form, taking squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, we will get d2y upon dx square plus dy by dx plus x square. Squaring on both sides, square equal to square root of square get cancelled, and this is 1 plus d raised to 3 upon dx cube. Now this is the proper differential equation. Now let us find out its order and degree. So in this differential equation, the highest order d raised to 3y upon dx cube is third order, this is second order, and this is the first order. So which is the highest order? D raised to 3y plus dx cube is the highest order, and therefore highest order is the order of differential equation, and hence order of differential equation is 3. Okay, now let us find out its degree. Degree means the power of highest order. So what is the power of highest order? Power of highest order is 1, and therefore degree of differential equation is 1. Okay. Now let us take another example. Another example is that this is d2 square y upon dt square plus dy by dt whole square plus 7y plus 5. This is the differential equation. This is the simple differential equation. Here order, this d2 square y by dx dt square means second order, dy by dt first order. Okay, so here highest order is d2y by dt square means second order, and therefore order of differential equation is 2. Now degree. Degree means power of highest order derivative. So here the power is 2. Okay, the power is 2 for the second term, but the derivative is not highest order. This is the first order and this is the second order, and that's why the highest order derivative in this differential equation is this, means 2. Okay, and therefore for finding out the degree, we consider the highest order derivative, and the power of highest order derivative is 1, and that's why degree of differential equation is 1. In this way we have to find out the order and degree of differential equation. Now let us take another example. Another example is that find out the order and degree of differential equation. So x plus d2 square y upon dx square equal to square root of 1 plus d2 square y upon dx square whole square. Now squaring on both sides, we will get x plus d2 square y upon dx square whole square. This is equal to square root of square get cancelled, and we will get 1 plus d2 square y upon dx square whole square. Okay, so by using a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, so this is x square plus 2x d2 square y upon dx square plus d2 square y upon dx square whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now this is equal to 1 plus d2 square y upon dx square whole square. Okay students, so this term and this term get cancelled, that is d2 square y upon dx square whole square, d2 square y upon dx square whole square get cancelled. And now we have x square plus 2x into d2 square y upon dx square and equal to 1, and this is the required differential equation. Now let us find out its degree and order. So here d2 square y by dx square means second order. Okay, so second order is the highest order, and therefore order of differential equation is 2, second order. Okay, and now what is the power of highest order? That is the degree. What is the power of highest order? Power of highest order derivative is 1, that's why its degree is 1. So order is 2 and its highest order is 1, that's why degree of differential equation is 1. Okay students, now the another example is that find out the order and degree of differential equation. So here order and degree of differential equation, 1 plus dy by dx square raised to 3 by 2 equal to 8 into d2y by dx square. So to find out its degree and order, let us simplify. Okay, so here this is the power of LHS is in fraction form. So first convert it into normal integer. Okay, so to convert it into integer, squaring on both sides, after squaring on both sides it will be get into its proper form. So squaring on both sides we will get 1 plus dy by dx whole square raised to 3 by 2 and into square, its square. Okay, this is the square, squaring on this side, and this is equal to also squaring on LHS. The square of it is 64 into d2y by dx square, its square, squaring on both sides. So student, this 2 and this 3 by 2, the 2 at denominator get cancelled, and now here we have 1 plus dy by dx whole square raised to 3. Okay, and this is equal to 64 into d2y by dx square raised to 2. So students, 1 plus dy by dx square raised to 3 means here some students will simplify this a plus b raised to 3 by using this sum will expand the bracket, but it is not necessary, because if we observe the differential equation, in this differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square raised dy by dx whole square raised to 3, that means again whole square, equal to 64 d2y by dx square, means in this differential equation, this is the differential equation, and in this differential equation the order of differential equation, highest order, here dy by dx and here d2y by dx square. So here highest order is 2, and that's why here the order of differential equation is 2. And degree means power of highest order derivative. What is the power of highest order derivative? So power of highest order derivative is again 2. This is the power. So here order is 2 and degree is 2 of this differential equation or for this differential equation. Okay, in this way we can find out the order and degree of differential equation. Now the next problem is that find out order and degree of differential equation, that is d raised to 3y upon dx cube raised to 1 by 2 into dy by dx raised to 1 by 3 equal to 20. So first simplify. To simplify this, we can multiply the power with 6, that is d raised to 3y upon dx cube raised to 1 by 2 into dy by dx raised to 1 by 3 whole raised to 6. We take it 6 power on both sides. LHS again on the RHS we consider the 6 power. On both sides we consider the 6 power. So students, we know that a raised to x into b raised to x raised to 2, then a raised to 2x plus b raised to 2x. In this way, here d raised to 3y upon dx cube raised to 1 by 2 into 6, this 6, into this dy by dx raised to 1 by 3 into this 6 equal to 20 raised to 6, and this is equal to d raised to 3y upon dx cube raised to 3 into dy by dx raised to 2 equal to 20 raised to 6. Students, if you observe the differential equation, in this differential equation, here the highest order is 3 because d3 raised to y upon dx cube and here dy by dx. So here highest order is 3 and therefore order of differential equation is 3. Highest order is 3, that's why order of differential equation is 3. Now what is the power of highest order? So this 3 is the power of highest order, and therefore its degree means power of highest order, and that is also 3, and therefore order is 3 and degree is also 3. Okay, and in this way we have found out the order and degree of differential equation, and also exercise 6.1 all 10 problems we have completed here. Okay students, so in this way we can find out the degree and order of differential equation. Okay, so from exercise 6.1 we have completed all the problems, all the 10 problems. In next video we will continue the differential equation. So in next video we will learn about the formation of differential equation. Okay.